This is supposed to be the last of these waders. If I don't get a hole from this, then that would be a miracle. Holy cow. There's a nice brown. Right out of that undercut. It's tough right now with the bright sun, but it crushed that a big panther martin. All right, same stream, went farther upstream. Right here, there's these two creeks that meet. Looks decent. Throwing a panther martin right now. There's a fish. Not long at all. Uh-oh. Nice. You know what? That's a good eater. I don't like to keep the big ones, but that's a perfect one. It's not small, not too small, not too big. He's coming with me. Let's get another one. There's a storm about to roll in here, so I kind of have to fish fast. But it's perfect because I think the trout are going to be actively eating. And, oh, there's a nice one. Followed it. Oh my goodness, that's a good trout. Ah, oh, shoot. There's these weeds here, and it's just a perfect habitat for these fish. This is some good looking water here. That's a small one, but I'm serious, this water looks like it could hold a 20-inch brown. It's got depth, it's got structure, and it's got my spinner going right through it. There's a nice brown. Beautiful. Come here, little brown. There you go. Can't see in here, but it looks good. There you go. Nice female. These trout are very like greenish and gray in color. I think kind of unique looking. There we go. Good fish. Beautiful. Rain's starting to fall. Don't have much time left. I'll take this one home with me since fishing's almost done. There we go. That'll do it. That's limit time for me. In the bag. We're good to go home. Another beautiful day in the Driftless. I don't think this will ever get old. Beautiful out here. Very impressed. Look at them go. Yeah, you run away, cows. Hey, what are you doing? Get out of here. Beautiful day on the